You can't really rely on your eyes at all in this distance, so you kind of have to connect with your partner and make sure that you keep that connection going into their strike. So if they pull back, you want to go in. If they go in, you want to accept them. If I try to push my partner away, it just gives them an opening to strike me, which makes things worse for me. So if you enter with your position to open, if you're not caring about your center line, you very quickly open yourself up to strikes with the knee to the groin or to the stomach, or even to the face if you're not careful.
Okay. Okay.
So even when I got into positions that I felt were advantageous, like when I had a hold of his head, as long as he kept his cool and kept his neck closed off so that I couldn't choke him out.
Oh wow.
Basically, when I was holding onto his head, he wasn't struggling on that much. He was keeping relaxed. He was keeping his blood vessels and his airway clear, just by keeping contact with my arm, and by closing off his neck, keeping his shoulders up, and then just by keeping the connection with me, he was able to kind of maneuver back into a position where he could rebalance the situation, and even took me down a couple of times, even after I'd gotten him in a headlock.
If you practice this, just make sure you use a protection. I recommend to use knee protection in case some knee strike goes in. You never know. If you are going hard on the face, make sure you have an helmet. So we did this way with James because we know we work for many years together, so we know very well each other, so we know when we have to stop. But other than that, just guys, try to use as much protection as you can, especially if you go full contact, especially with close combat. It's pretty risky.